Hey guys, so my BGW mystery box finally just came. So cute. It's a lot bigger than I thought, but bigger than my head. Not bigger than Angel's head though. Sorry, Angel. But it's got this really cool design on the front. This side. Angel's very scared. that is Crystal coming out. Their poster on the back. Some of their stickers on top. And then it's even got the bottom of their claw machine. It's so cool. So I think we're ready to unbox. Wait. There's something missing. Okay. One sec. Now we're ready to unbox a mystery box. Sorry about the editing skills there, guys, if it didn't work, but let's hope it did. So, let's open this up. I'll move this so you can see. Okay, I'm gonna open it this way. So, let's see. Okay. Right here. I'll just put my hand in. Okay. Ooh, this is a pop socket which I ordered. Sorry about the camera angle, guys. I know it's stupid. I will show you their pop socket. Oh! I haven't erased it. I actually ordered another one because I actually couldn't find this one, but obviously when I ordered it, I obviously found it. Of course. I have one for each hand. Yeah. And then I also ordered a pop socket, which they actually signed on the front, which is what I asked them to do, which is really cool. That it has Crystal and Angel actually on the pop socket. That's really cool. Okay, let's stay in there. I think I feel. What? Okay. Thank you. I have a Bova sticker, a claw machine sticker, and Popcorn Cris. Thank you guys. I really wasn't expecting that. Okay, so we know all about them. Now let's get to the actual box. Tilt you down again, so you can see that I'm not cheating. Get that out of the way. Okay. It smells like a pin. Ooh. I think, if I'm right, this is the item that only members got. So let's see. I don't have a knife on me. You will open. I'm so rubbish at unboxing things, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh, it feels like a pin. It definitely feels like a pin. Definitely feels like a pin. Oh my. That is so cool. Sorry, I'll show you guys as well. It's the diamond claw. There's Angel hanging out like a monkey. I think Crystal should be the one upside down because she's called Monkey. But Crystal is like hanging off the side. I love it. That's so cool. That item was definitely worth it. Oh my gosh, this box is amazing. Okay, next item. Oh, this is the this is the diamond claw. They did show these on their stream, but Let is trying to pick up Angel. You can't really see the glitter, guys, but it's so glittery in real life. And it's more of a diamond colour than a grey that my camera's showing it. My camera's still bad. Okay, pop that over there. Not back in the box because I might pick it out again. It did say there was a story with this. I'm trying to think of the story so far. So far we've got a claw. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh my gosh. This is Clawsome. Sorry, that was really bad. How on earth do you open this? Ow! Ow. No idea where I'm going to put this, but this is awesome. Well, no, sorry, this is Clawsome. That's so cool. Look at the claw. Angel and Cris. Oh my god, I love it. Okay. So we've got a claw and Clawsome. You're stumping a bit, Angel. A bit. There's a box. Creative 3D visualization lamp. What? A PTW lamp? No. What? Guys, look at that. That's not good lighting, but if I move it a little bit, there it has a claw. And if I what? Can I plug this into my laptop? Okay, 2 seconds, guys. No, actually. Wait until the end of the video and I'll show you this. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Okay. Next item. Limited edition vinyl decals. Guys, on the back is that Angel says, wow, these stickers are Clawsome. Oh my gosh, that lamp is amazing. I can't, wow. I didn't think there'd be a lamp that's, wow, this box is so good. I don't want to break it. Okay. We've got a Clawsome, which is glittery, as you can see. It's also shiny. We've got, ooh, we've got another one that matches our, I can't get it, matches our pin. That's so cool. Okay. So we've got them. This is definitely a Clawsome box. Okay. Ooh, bubble wrap. Guys, I forgot to show you. They signed it. Okay. Bubble wrap. Ooh, something in the bubble wrap. What the? Is this a canvas? Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna show you first. Okay, you've seen it enough. Pull him out, Crystal. Now we. Oh my gosh, guys! Now we know why Angel was trying. Why Crystal was escaping the on the box. She's gonna pull out Angel. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, guys! I can't think. I don't know which one's my favorite. This box is too cool. Oh my gosh. Angel and Cris, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I hope the reactions were okay. They're not. I really don't know what to say. They're just. Yeah. Wow. These are awesome. And this one. Clawsome. Let's work out the story. So Cris is trying to get Angel. No, I have no idea. And that's not often I say that about PTW. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing, guys. And hope you come back to my channel soon. Bye, guys. Oops, forgot to show you this. Can't wait to see it. 2 seconds. Let's try again. Let's see the button. Changes. Oop, did I just turn it on? Oops, I just turned it off. Oh no. What have I done? Aha. That's so cool. Thanks for watching, guys.